Do you know what do Japanese artisans, engineers, Zen philosophy and cuisines have in common? That is simplicity and attention to details. And that's the key to a long and happy life in Japan. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Detox Life. In today's video, I'll be sharing what are the top 10 things that I absolutely like about Japan. It was really difficult for me to choose only 10 things because there are so many things that I like about Japan. But let's share with you only top 10. Japan is extremely disciplined and clean. Do you know Japan ranks 35th globally across all the countries in terms of population density? Yet, Japanese, just by their nature, culture and their discipline, the place is extremely clean and tidy. Whether you go to a park, a public place or a train station, you will not find litter anywhere. Japan has 4 beautiful seasons: spring, summer, autumn, winter. Well, many people know Japanese cherry blossom. In Japan they call it sakura. I think all the 4 seasons are simply beautiful. Currently we are in autumn season, so we are at Showa Kinen Park today. In Japanese the park is called Koen. And maybe you can just look around the colors near me. It's all red, yellow, green. If I have to pick one season out of all the 4 seasons, I think it's almost impossible for me. Japanese culture. There are so many things to learn about Japanese culture. My top 3 favorite things about Japanese culture are: number 1, they're very polite. They will always bow down and give you so much respect. Number 2, they're helping nature. I have personally had 2 incidents which really touched my heart. One was, if you ask a stranger on a road to guide you on an address, they will actually personally escort you to the destination. And the second incident was when I newly moved to Japan and I had to buy a SIM card. Here the paperwork and the process of buying a SIM card takes about 3 to 4 hours. And all the paperwork is in Japanese. My colleague actually went along with me to the shop and she spent those 4 hours with me to get the SIM card just to make the process easier for me. I was really touched. And number 3 is respecting others. It's very easy for us to finger point each other and think that the mistake is made by the other person. However, a Japanese will do it slightly differently. Imagine if you are in a conversation and you're not able to understand something and the other person already tried 2 or 3 times to make you understand it, but still you're not clear. Normally, if you are in the other person's situation, you will think, oh my god, this person is not able to understand it at all. What is wrong with this person? But a Japanese would think, what can I do differently? Maybe I am doing something wrong and that is why the other person is not able to understand me. So they will try to make an extra effort to make sure that you understand it. And they will not demean you. They will not disrespect you, which is very good. So I think we have a lot to learn from Japanese culture. Quality. Japan is popular for its Six Sigma and their precision. They run the processes so many times that they make sure that the process is 100% foolproof. And hence, all the products that you get in Japan, whether it's clothes, toys or food, anything, even if you buy it from a very small shop, the product will be of superior quality. Customer service. In Japan, customer is truly treated as a king. As a customer, your convenience, your comfort and your satisfaction is of utmost importance. Many shops in Japan provide absolutely free gift wrapping services. And the wrapping is not just wrapping, it's beautiful with ribbons and everything. So we normally get the gift wrapping done almost every time, even if we don't need to gift it to anybody. Secondly, when you go to a shop and you purchase something, the salesman will escort you to the shop door, will bow down and will hand over the packet to you. And it feels so good and it really makes you feel like a king over here in Japan, especially as a customer. Safety. Tokyo is consistently rated as the safest city in the world. In Japan, many people don't really lock their doors. It happened to us accidentally that we went out and we forgot to lock our door. We came back after 3 to 4 hours just to find that the door was unlocked. We were really scared, but then when we entered the house, everything was absolutely safe and sound. Can you even imagine this? It's beautiful. Imagine if all the countries in the world become like this. World will become such a peaceful place. Convenience. Japan has 50,000 convenience stores. They're called konbini in Japan, and 5 million vending machines. Most of the convenience stores are 24/7 and all the vending machines are 24/7, which means anytime you can get what you need. In the convenience store you get food, drinks, clothes, tissues, sanitary things, like almost everything you can find in the convenience store. So Japan makes your life truly convenient in what you need. Connectivity. Japan is very well connected. You can go from one region to another region in just a matter of few hours. There are so many local trains that connect locally. Also, there are a lot of bullet trains which cover the distances within a few hours. When I used to stay in Kobe and we were doing split family, then I used to commute between Kobe and Tokyo. Kobe and Tokyo are more than 500 kilometers apart, but the journey would take me only 2.5 hours by bullet train. Honesty. Japan is considered as one of the most honest countries in the world. As per a news report in May 2020, the police recovered about 3.9 billion yen of lost cash just in Tokyo, and this was about 50% of the total 8 billion reported lost cash. That's quite a lot. And if we talk about the IDs or credit cards, they recovered about 770,000 driver's licenses and credit cards handed in. They were the most popular items, over 17% of the total. And then we have other items also, like gift certificates, passes, etc. So in Japan, if you lose something, highly likely you will recover it back. Punctuality. Japanese arrive normally 10 minutes early for a meeting. In Japan, you'll be surprised how accurate the rail services are. The Japanese normally sync their watches to the rail clocks, and the trains arrive exactly on time. There was an incident a few years ago where the train departed about 20 seconds earlier, and the conductor apologized publicly to all the passengers. That's how punctual Japan is. So these were the 10 things that I like about Japan. Do let me know what you love the most about Japan in the comments box below. And as every coin has two sides, there are also some things which I would like Japan to improve, and I would be sharing them in my upcoming videos. So till we meet again, stay tuned, take very good care of yourself. Sayonara!